Here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Quant over here. And what we see over here on the 3-day time frame is an inverted head and shoulders pattern. So over here is your left shoulder, your right shoulder, and then your head. I eventually do think that Quant is going to break this all-time high over here. I'm very sure of it. Because when we take a look at the long-term chart with Quant on the CoinTrader Pro charts, we see that we are within our fifth wave. So right now, this over here would be considered our wave 1. Okay, this over here would be considered our wave 1, and this over here is our wave 2. So we have a long road ahead of us with Quant, okay? It has a lot of potential, and I think we retest these all-time highs and actually even go above it. But for now, it's going to be a stochastic process, so what we can do is zoom in a bit over here, and what do we see after we had our first wave to the upside? We see that we went into Wyckoff accumulation. So this over here was your selling climax, your automatic rally, your secondary test of the lows, your failed breakout, a move back down for your secondary test in phase B, another failed breakout, and then what you have over here is you go into a creek phase, chopping out investors for over a year. Okay? At every single swing low, they think it's the bottom. And then once we have multiple candle closures below this established low here at $99, then people just give up on Quant. They sell their whole bag, they think it's a dead project, and once they give up, the composite operator buys all their fear over here in the spring phase. After this spring phase, you come up, and you pop up above this range, and you come back down to do a bullish backtest. You see how we came back down to do a bullish backtest of this resistance over here? Okay, right over here. Okay, and what we can do is go on the 4-hour time frame, and we can see that our B wave swept the highs of our A wave, and our C wave swept the lows of our A wave. So we had manipulation on both sides of the range before continuing the trend upwards. Right now, we're within a falling wedge for our wave 4. We perfectly hit the 702, but there is also a possibility we wick down to the 786 before continuing higher. Now, if we take a fib from our second swing high down to this low, we see that the 702-786 region is at around $134 to $142. Okay, we also have confluence there with our trend-based fibs, and then we may see an ABC correction for our wave 2. So this over here would act as your wave 1, come down for a wave 2, and then you have a third, fourth, and fifth wave all the way up there towards your last all-time high. Hope you guys enjoyed the Quant video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.